Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Slides deck and confirming you have edit permissions. This avoids delays. Once done, choose the target language and collect a short glossary of preferred terms so translation stays consistent. Export or copy visible text and speaker notes now because translating in bulk is faster and preserves layout. Make sure to note embedded images with text. Starting with these prerequisites keeps you efficient and prevents format surprises later on. You should run an initial machine translation pass to get a complete draft quickly. Use Google Translate or Cloud Translation API to handle bulk text. Then, import that draft back into Slides, replacing text box by text box so layout stays intact. Once imported, review each slide. Adjust line breaks, font sizes, and bullet styles to fit the translated text. Make sure placeholders and variables remain unchanged. This middle step balances speed and control. Machine speed first, human polish. You finish by proofreading for grammar and cultural nuance, because literal translations often need human adjustment. Next, run the presentation in slideshow mode and check each slide for overflow, truncated text, or misaligned elements. Resize or reflow text where necessary. If a slide breaks layout, isolate it and translate manually, or restore the backup version for that slide, then reapply corrected text. One key tip: keep a backup copy before major edits. Reverting saves time when automatic steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.